Right, what's up traders, and welcome to another trade review, weekly trade review. So this is from this past week, February 26th to the 1st of March. So we did roll over into a new month, and yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, I ended up on the week. Percentage gain was a 0.83 percentage gain, which equated to $1,600. My win rate was at 57.14, so a little bit of a lower win rate this week, but a risk reward ratio of 1.57, which is really, really good. You know, I'm looking to get my risk reward ratio above 0.8 with a win rate of 65% or above. That is my goal for this year, right? So a really good week in terms of risk reward ratio. Win rate, not bad. That will have a positive expectancy value. So let's go through the trades that I did take this week. So on Monday, I was off the desk due to traveling, but I did have some trades on Tuesday. So let's get into them. I did have EU longs, right? So looking to buy it off the second green day, but we ended up moving lower as the day went on. I kind of took a slight loss on this. I pulled a bit here and then pulled for loss as well. So I'm really managing my losses well, which is equating to that good RR, and while still maintaining a solid win rate, right? At a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, you need 50% or higher to make money long term. GU as well ended up cutting as well for a loser, but I did have a late trade in the afternoon on GCAD. I did want this for longs, but we were making lower highs all day, and finally we break out for a new high of day, and I get that pullback to the 5-minute 21 EMA, and that's where I like to look for long positions. So that was my Tuesday. Wednesday, we did have a negative day, as you can see. I did take positions on GJ and EJ shorts. I did like them for shorts. So something about these trades is I did feel that I could have taken short positions earlier in the London session with a stop at previous day's high. I missed out on them and then ended up taking a loss on them, but I held my position. I moved my stop loss. I did speak about this on stream, but I hid my stop loss because I cut the trades earlier. I moved my stop loss higher because I cut the trade. So if I had moved my stop loss, I'm allowed to because I cut the trade, took off more than half earlier. And I still felt that if we hold previous day's high, we could still move over during in the Asian session, which we do. And that obviously brings us into Thursday, where I had a winning day, right? I held the two positions that I had half left on, and because I cut them so early, I was able to move my stop loss that I was still only risking the 1R. So this is a bit more advanced. I moved my stop loss up because I cut them off earlier. So because I didn't have my full position size in, I was still only losing 1R, right? And as you can see here, they moved over overnight into profit, and they end up tagging me out on my initial take profit price. So that gave me a positive week overall. So I just think something that to take away from this week has been my management of my trades has been really, really good. But something again that I've always got to continuous work on, right? And this week it has been, or this year has been, getting that risk reward ratio above 0.8 while maintaining a 65% or above win rate. And that is something that you can see that I'm doing really, really well at the moment. I'm cutting my losers and allowing my winners to run. So yeah, just as you can see, what did I do well this week? I stuck to my routines and let my routines guide my decisions, as this puts me in a great place to make great decisions. I also stuck to the basics well. I did not succumb to poor decision making, i.e. adding into losers. So when that GJ and EJ went to get me, I cut them and I didn't add into any of those positions, which was really, really good. So overall, a solid week, a 0.83% gain at a win rate of 57% and a risk reward ratio of 1.57. So I am finding that my management is playing a good part in me actually making good decisions on the trading desk. So another winning week. My trading has been really, really solid this year so far, but I think it just comes down to my work ethic. I'm putting in the work on the weekends as well. I'm filming this on the weekend. I'm analyzing my trades. How can I get better? And hard work pays off. I look forward to seeing you guys for my monthly review. Cheers, everyone.